I want to talk about some of the myths and misconceptions about online working. I have had a lot of experience. I have had my ups and downs. I have been scammed, yes, but to get where I am today, I decided to just come out and share my experiences. And these are some of the myths. Number one, that online work is a get rich quick scheme. It is not. Most people think that online working, it's all about doing easy jobs, doing easy tasks, and then earning a lot of money. That is not true at all. Let me tell you, for legit online work, you must first of all have a certain skill or take time to learn a skill. Then you must put in that effort. You must be consistent and determined. For some people, it takes even up to several years for them to have a breakthrough in online working. For some, it takes even some months. So the myth that it is a get rich quick scheme, that is not true. So when you go online and you find people who are telling you that you can make $10,000 in one day, how to make $5,000 in 2 days, that is a scam. Run for your dear life. Another myth about online working that most people have is that all online jobs are scams. No, not all of them. Personally, I have been scammed, a story which I will tell you one day, especially when I was beginning, many times. But when you do proper research, when you take your time, let me tell you, they are very much legit platforms. And this is how you can identify the scammers. Number one, scammers will promise you a lot of money with very less effort or very less work. Then scammers, another thing about scammers, you'll find that they are not that clear about their company, how it began. They don't have a history. So it's good you really do your own proper research, and that is where most of us fail, because we do not want to get tired listening or even finding out. Okay, so that is myth number two. Another myth is that when you get into online working, you're going to be free now. You're going to be just working for a few hours, a few minutes, and then you'll be having a lot of free time. No. Online work is just a business or a job like any other, which requires your time. In fact, according to me, my experience, I think online work is the one which I have found to be requiring a lot, especially mentally, physically, because you must take your time to learn consistently, then apply what you've learned. And also in online working, we say you must keep on learning each and every day to improve. Another myth is that online work is only for people who have technological skills or people who have done tech. No, that is not true. Online work is for everyone. You can learn a skill even if you do not have previous skills in things which are related to technology. You can learn them. So online working is open to everyone, where you can just come, get in and learn a skill. So it's good that you be aware of these myths. Another myth is that online work is very easy. It is not. It is very hard. Sometimes it can even give you some headaches. It's not hard. It requires discipline, hard work, patience, and consistency. So those are some of the myths and also the truths about online working. The truths are, this is the truth, if I can just summarize: online work is not easy. It's hard. It requires a lot of determination, patience, persistence. It requires your time, your effort. You must invest in it. Online working is not an easy get rich quick scheme. If you're coming here so that you can get rich quick, so that you can drive a Range Rover within 1 week, then that is not true. it is not easy. You must put in the effort. I have been in it since 2019, and I can tell you it is not easy. I have decided I will be sharing with you even my journey, what I do currently, the online jobs which I tried very well. You like to learn about? Let me just know. Have you ever been scammed like me? So let me know in the comment section so that we may know, because nowadays everyone is talking about online. But if you don't have the right information, you might just find yourself confused or even being scammed. So like the video, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Bye bye.